Hey there guys, so just want to make a quick video. So I just ordered this off Amazon. It is a watch band for my Apple Watch. I have a Series 3, and the brand here is Inteny Sport Band. So, and it's one of the soft bands. So what I currently have is an actual Apple band, but it's the blue color and it's just gets very dirty. So I was thinking I'll just get black. So this was $10 on Amazon. So I figured, why not try this out. Let's see if I can even get it out of here. I really need to get a tripod. Okay, so here's a comparison of the two. So on the left is this is an actual Apple band, and on the right is the, what is this brand? Inteny. It feels really soft and really nice. So it's got like a little magnetic part here where it clips into the Apple Watch, which is good. Another one on the other side. When you actually undo the Velcro, it does have the same Velcro looking spots here as on the watch, or the regular one. So here, I'll show you how that looks. So this is an actual Apple Watch band, and this is the knockoff. So it has four little Velcro pads, while this one has, well, the other one has 5. And it has a little special section with it, it's not as fuzzy underneath those pads. So that's one difference you may notice here. And on here, it doesn't have a little subsection that's not fuzzy. So it's directly on the fuzzy pads. So let me go ahead and put it on, and I'll see how it looks. Okay, and here it is on my wrist. Now it looks more black without this flashlight on, without the little torch light on. So, but it looks nice, it feels nice. The fitment in the watch looks really good. It fits in there pretty well. Same on this side here. And just for reference, here's how the actual Apple version looks. Their magnet looks a little bit nicer. But I mean, 10 bucks versus 50 bucks. I think this is a winner. This is pretty nice. I'm pretty pleased with it. I guess one of the true tests will be, how well does it stand up to working outside and, you know, just regular use. So I will definitely follow up with that if there's any issues with it, but it looks good so far. Thanks for watching. All right, so it's been a couple days now. So I got the watch band on June 13th. It's now June 20th. So I've had a couple days to wear it and see what I think here. And this gives you a better idea how it looks without the flashlight on there. It's black, but it has that reflective white in between there. So overall, I'm pleased with it. The only things I'm not really happy with are, it's a little harder to pull and, take on and off. I think the actual part where you pull it through isn't big enough, so it just makes it a little harder to pull and make it tight. And then on top of that, when you take it off, because it has 5 Velcro pads versus 4, it doesn't give you as much room as the Apple Watch band itself gives you to take it off and put it on. So let me see if I can show you this. So that's as much room as you get when you want to take it off because of the 5 pads. So there are the 5 pads there. So maybe if that was, if they just had the 4 pads, it'd be easier. But here, I'll just go ahead and put it back on here. Let's see if I can try and get this. And as you can see, once it gets caught on one of those pads, it just makes it like a pain to get on. And then it's not as easy to put on as the actual Apple Watch band. So that's my only real gripe with it. Just that, and the pad, the extra pad. If they would have made the little pull through a little bit wider, it would have been much easier. And then that one pad, if they would have taken that off, because I mean, if Apple only uses 4, it's not really necessary to have 5. But you know what, overall, I'm happy with it. 10 bucks, good 10 bucks spent. And, you know, if you're interested in this, I'll leave a link to it in the description. And yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this video, and hopefully this gives you a little bit more, you know, input on this specific type of watch band. It feels nice. I've gotten it wet. I've gotten sweat on it. It's, you know, been through some gross things, and it still looks really good. So yeah, happy with it. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.